Here we got an old, this is a Ream stamp octagon unit. It's commercial. What's the data? Wait, that's not. There's no way that's real. It's a York. Wow, this is rare. I'm gonna try to get a closer shot. Tons of twigs. It's a York Sunline. There's the serial number. Let me get a shot of that. It's a pretty cool unit, even though it's probably abandoned. Here we have this old GE unit. It's got a GE Climate Tough recip. This thing is really cool. It should be around this year. Oh, it's right here. 5 ton. I don't know about the year. Thought I'd get a quick video of this.